it ain't nothing to it. You either got it or you don't. And I happen to have it. Praise the Lord. Oh, Bashata. What's up, MB gang? It's Main B here, back with another video for you guys. Today, where'd the thing go? Hold on. Oh. Wait. Today we are going to be, well, because y'all with me, yeah. We're going to be installing this beauty supply store wig. Can y'all see it? Wait. So this is a 13x6 lace wig. It's HD invisible lace. It's in the color Chestnut, and yeah, this is by Motown Tress. So we're just gonna get into this today and see what the vibes are giving. I am gonna be recording a TikTok while I'm doing such. I already plucked the wig and I colored it with my Ebin lace tint in the color light warm brown, just so I can get it to match my skin tone. This is the cap construction. Before we get into it, hold on, I have my phone right here because I don't have a mirror, but yeah, that's the cap construction. Get into it. I'm not going to use a ball cap, just because I don't want to and I don't really need to. I'm just going to use this Wig Grip. So I'm just going to put that on my head. And if you see me looking over here, I'm just looking at myself while I'm doing this, just because the camera is kind of far. But I'm going to center that in the middle, because I'm probably going to do a middle part. Usually I would slick my baby hairs back, but this is going to be a glueless method. I'm not going to worry about doing all that. You feel me? I put my oil in my hair or in my scalp, and then that's what it's given. This is what it's given. My hair is in 4 braids underneath, and yeah, that's what we doing. That's what we doing, period. First things first, I'm going to go ahead and put this on my head, because the method that I'm using is going to be with this Melt Me mist from ThatNeatFreakK. How she explains to do it, it's to put your wig on, spray the lace, and blow dry it on a cool setting, and then tie it down for like 10-15 minutes, and then come back and then like cut your lace off and then go on with your install. Obviously put some more on there if you need to. This is going to be somewhat of a quick install. It's 3:44 right now. I really want to be done like very soon, because I still have to do my makeup. I'm just gonna plop this baby on. You see, like, that's where the thing is. Obviously I don't want my freaking wig all the way back there, so I'm gonna put my wig right here. Honestly, y'all, this wig is a snug fit. It's snug. It's fitting real snug. So I'm gonna take these little clips, these little, what do they call these? Alligator clips, I believe. I'm gonna take these and I'm just gonna like clip my hair back, just because I don't want it in my face while I'm trying to do this. So, boom, it's out the way. I got my blow dryer and I got my spray. We're gonna go section by section, kind of. So I'm going to spray. Let me get a little bit closer so y'all can see. I'm going to spray, boom, push it back into the hairline, boom, push it back. If it falls, it's okay. You're gonna be able to peel it up. Cool. Setting. So how I did it right there, that's how I'm gonna do it across my whole entire head. Now I'm just gonna spray it, push it in, spray it, push it in, spray it, push it in. What I realized for my the sides of my wig, using this method, it works because you don't want to get those ripples. So it works if you just like kind of hold it while you blow dry it. I'm gonna do this side, and I'll come back after I have completed this, and then I'm gonna put this lace band over the top of it like this for like 10 minutes. All right, y'all, so I'm back. All I'm about to do right now is kind of define this part a little bit more. The part is definitely non-existent right now. I mean, part is straight to your liking. I am not perfect when it comes to this wig stuff. I just do what I like and what looks good on me. I'm gonna go in with my hot comb, and then I like how my hair looks when it's like kind of pushed back right here. You see how it's like giving that push back. Oh, I forgot to mention, I put this on my hair before I hot combed it, and that's just gonna give it that really sleek look that you want. Like, I'm not even done yet, and like, look at her, she's giving. Get that shit flat. Y'all see this? I don't know if I like this. Like, I really want to just like cut it, but I'd be scared to. Yes, I'm gonna cut that. I don't like that. I don't even got like no hair or scissors. I'm gonna just try to do it with these little bitty scissors, cause no, that's not cute. Okay, it's giving struggle. It's giving struggle. Let me try to make this shit match. Y'all, don't try this at home, cause I'm probably messing up my whole wig right now. Look. Like I said, fucked it up. I really don't care, cause who's gonna say something? Nobody. I am going to use my regular concealer that I use for my face. If you know, you know. This is an e.l.f. concealer brush, and I'm just gonna go into my part just to like define it. Ugh, my TikToks be looking a mess. I mean, like, it looked like it be looking a mess, but it really don't be looking a mess. It just be, it's gonna come together. In the end, it's all gonna come together. Okay, see y'all, I'm pressing this in with the back of my edge brush. I'm just pressing that concealer in there. Is it giving wig? Oh, I'm going to go in with my foundation, and that shall fix that white cast right along there. That shall fix that white cast right on up. Okay, take a little bit of foundation, and then I'm just gonna yeah, keep in mind guys, this is a synthetic wig. She's looking good. If I'm being honest, like with this hair, really don't care to do any baby hairs, but I know like I want some baby hairs like right here. Just do them little baby hairs right there, and then just let the rest as body. So I'm just gonna pull out a little bit of hair, a little bit more, a little bit more, and I'm working like I rotated in a C type of motion, just so I can get, I don't know, it's just, that's just how I do it. Okay, these are what I'm gonna be using right here, and that's gonna be to curl my baby hair. Usually I'll pluck my baby hairs. I just really don't feel like that's necessary. When you work with a colored wig, you don't really have to do too much. Like this wig, I don't really have to do too much. I'm gonna map it out. Like this is where my eyebrow is, like half of my eyebrow. So this is like half of my eyebrow right here. So I'm gonna take it and do that C-like motion. Like I did before, I don't want any hairs in my way. So I'm just gonna clip each side back so that we'll have, you know, some space to work. Boom. I cut it at a diagonal. So for this one, obviously, this is the other side of my head. So I have to cut it like that as at a diagonal. I'm going to go in and flat. Make sure that is nice and hot combed. Please be careful with this by your face, y'all. Lord knows I don't be being careful. I be getting this hot comb. You'll see those little marks on the side of my head just because I don't be being careful. So I'm just gonna show you guys how I curl my how I curl my baby hair. And I use a little thing, a little flat iron, just because I want them curled tight. You see that? You see that? Yeah. So I'm gonna do the other one on TikTok. As tight as you can. Like these still ain't like as tight as they could be. They're tight enough. I don't want that strong baby hair thing, so I'm gonna go in with my She Is Bomb collection fuse foam, and it gives that like sticky feel. I'm gonna be careful not to put it on my lace, just because like sometimes that can make the lace lift up. Sometimes I am going to take some on this little comb. I'll probably put some on the back of my hand just so that I can do it, and then I'm just going to like the little, it's like the flick of your wrist. Boom. See what I'm saying? I'm holding it and I'm flicking it. So I'm holding it and then I'm flicking it, holding it, flicking it, holding it, flicking it, and then I just keep repeating that until I get it to where I want it to be. It ain't nothing to it. You either got it or you don't, and I happen to have it. Praise the Lord. Oh, Bashata. But I'm doing the same thing on this side as well. I'm gonna hold it and flick it, putting foam all over my head, and then I'm going to secure it with this thing again to just make sure my edges lay where I want them to lay and stay where I want them to stay. Y'all know that when we put this in our hair, it made it more of like a Got2b, like a crunchy type of thing, right? So with me doing the foam, that's gonna make my hair lay, but it's gonna make it lay and stay in place without that crunchy feel, if you know what I mean. Like, you don't nobody want no crunchy install. That foam is gonna give you that install that you want. Non-crunchy install. If you want to speed up the process of the foam underneath, then I say if you have a hooded dryer, get under a hooded dryer. If you don't have a hooded dryer, that's okay, because mine broke. So I'm just gonna go in with my blow dryer for like 5 minutes, and then I'll come back when I'm complete. What's up, y'all? So I'm back, and this is the finished look. This is how she turned out, period. And I am so sorry that I have to make this short and make this quick. I'm already late. I'm like an hour late to where I'm supposed to be, but we're not going to talk about that. That's neither here nor there. Well, I appreciate you guys for watching. If you guys watched it and stayed watching it for this long, comment down below what videos you want me to drop next. I am about to move and I haven't really told anybody about that, so if you guys want to know where I might be going, then comment down below and I might let you know, period. Without further ado, I just want to say thank you guys for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, comment down below, and smash that like button on the way out. Thank you, and I love you guys. Bye.